In any system of medicine, before going to treatment, diagnosis should be take place. After diagnosis only, the practitioner will came to know what has to treat, how will be patient has to treat it. So that the first step before going to treatment is diagnose. So in any system of medicine, this is the protocol or way to treat the patient. So in the same way, we will see how the Siddhu came to know the diagnosis of the disease. So first of all, the first step of diagnose, you can write it as stepwise. The first step of diagnose is he will put his interest and he give emphasis on three aspects while diagnose. The first is causal organism, or what is the causal organism, how the disease happen, what is the causal organism, or what is the pathogen, what is the cause of disease. The first one is cause of disease, and the second one is symptoms of disease. Second one is symptoms of disease, and the third one is the drastic changes which were happened due to this disease. These three will be considered, and these three will be mainly emphasized in the diagnosis. So this is the first step. The first one is causal organism or cause of the disease. The second one is symptoms of the disease, and the third one is any changes or drastic changes that were takes place in the body of patient due to that particular disease. So these three will be viewed by the Siddhu or by the petitioner in Siddha system of medicine. This is the first step. And second one, he conduct examinations or he will conduct the investigations which are known as Ashtasana investigations. Ashtasana, Ashtasana, Ashtasthana investigations. Ashtasthana, not Ashtasana. Sorry, you have to correct it. Ashtasthana. Ashtasthana means 8 places. At 8 places, sir, from 8 angles, and he will draw the information from 8 prominent places of the body. So this is known as Ashtasthana investigation. So this Ashtasthana investigation was described in a prominent book of Siddha Vaidya, that is Agastya Vaidya Sagaram. Agastya. Who is this Agastya? Agastya is the one of the pioneer of Siddha system of medicine. So he is Rishi or Maharshi. So it was written by Agastya only. So these Ashtasthana investigations were described in a prominent book that was written by Agastya Mahamuni. The title of the book is Agastya Vaidya Sagaram. Agastya Vaidya Sagaram. Sagaram means ocean. So this is the ocean, like the traditional knowledge is like ocean. So the title was given in such a way. So according to Agastya Vaidya Sagaram, there are 8 tests or 8 examinations or 8 investigations will be conducted by the Siddhu at 8 places. That means he will draw the information. He will draw the information of the patient by conducting 8 tests from 8 different places of the body. What are they? They are, the first one is Nadi investigation. You have to note it down. First of all, first one is Nadi, and the second one is Kaf, means Kapam. The third one is Swar. Swar means voice, that is throat. They will test the throat. And fourth one is sparism. Sparism means sparisa. Sparism. The name of the test is sparism. Sparism means sparisa. That is by touching or sensitivity. Sensitivity of the body. And fifth one, varna. Varna, color. So the color they will observe in different body color, urine color, blood color, and other hair color, nails color, appearance of the nails. How are they pale in color or bright in color? Also they will observe. So, but here the Varna is one of the Ashtasthana tests. And the sixth one is Na. Only Na. The name of the test is Na. It is about the sight, Drushti, about sight, Na. Only the name of the test is Na, N-A, Na. That's all. And seventh one is Mala. Mala. Mala means motion. They will test tools. Tools also test. In modern system of medicines also, the testing of tools and urine is common phenomenon. You can see, you can observe. And the last one, eighth one is near. Near means here urine. Here the name of the test is near, but what they test under this near is they will test the urine investigation. So these are the eight Ashtasthana tests according to Agastya Vaidya Sagaram. But they mainly focus, the Siddhus mainly focus while investigation of the, of the diagnosis of the investigation of the disease, Nadi, Motra are the prominent interest areas of tests. Though they test in 8 ways, that is Ashtasthana investigations, mainly they focus on two kinds of tests. What are these two kinds of tests? Nadi Pariksha, Motra Pariksha. Motra means urine Pariksha. So these two are plays a prominent role in their diagnosis. And you can go for the third step. Third step, you can see the Nadi Pariksha. As you know, as I rightly said just now, two are prominent among all these. What are these two prominent? The first is Nadi and second one is Neer. Neer means Motra. Neer. So we go for the as third step about Nadi Pariksha or Nadi test or Nadi investigation. Nadi, uh, according to Nadi test, they will understand who the Siddhus will understand about the status of the disease. What is the status of disease? Is it at a initial stage, or at intermediate stage, or in progressive stage, or it is in acute state? So Nadi test is mainly useful to know the status of disease, to uh, to